Hello everyone, welcome back to our Connect Plus, and today we are going to continue our units and we are going to start a new unit, which is unit 4. But this unit inside a theme, a new theme. The previous theme, it was who am I? It was about ourselves. It was about our body from outside and from inside. It was about our health, how to be healthy and how to be unhealthy. It's about our food too. But in this theme, we're not going to talk about ourselves. We are going to talk about the world around us. So in this unit, it's very interesting, and you're going to know a lot of information about your word and how to keep it safe in a way. Okay, so this theme is called the world around you. As you see, those are animals in the wild. The title of the lesson is in the wild. What is the wild? The wild is where animals and birds can live freely without any human chasing or hunting them. Okay. If you open your book, page number 52, you're going to see our two characters, main characters in the book, Hani and Hannah, and they are talking about something very interesting. Let's see what are they talking about and then continue. Okay. Hannah says, it was great at wildlife park. It was great at the wildlife park. So they were yesterday, wasn't it? Okay. It was great at the wildlife park yesterday, wasn't it? Hani says, yes, it was. I loved seeing the chimpanzee. I loved seeing the chimpanzee. Okay. I thought the sloth was great. It moved very slowly. I thought the sloth was great. It moved very slowly. Hani says, let's look on the wildlife park webcam. Let's look on the wildlife webcam. We might see it again. We might see it again. Hannah answers, yes, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. Of course, you had heard some new words, okay, and then you can see it on your book. If you look on this picture on the next slide, you will see the chimpanzee. This is the chimpanzee. It's a very big monkey, as you see. And next you will see the spider monkey and the Fennec fox. The spider monkey, as you see, has a very long limbs, which are its arms and its legs and tail are very long, like you see. That's why it's called spider monkey. And the Fennec fox, as you see, it's very small with big ears. And here the macaw, it's very colorful, beautiful parrot. It's a kind of parrot, and it lives in the rainforests. And next one, it's cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest animal on earth. Can you imagine that? It's beautiful, and it's a very big spotted cat. And here you can see cobra. It's a snake. I hate snakes, like you do, I know. This snake is very poisonous and very dangerous. And those animals can only be seen in the wild. Okay. The sea lion, it lives in the sea, but it's not a fish, as you see. It looks like a seal, but it's called a sea lion. The third picture is for the sloth. Sloth. This is an animal lives in the rainforest also, and it hangs all the time on the tree. And as you see, it's very lazy and slow. Now, we have seen some animals, and now we are going to know how they live in the wild and how they eat. What are their behaviors? The behavior is something you usually do. And let's get to know some of these animals, some birds' behaviors in the wild. The first thing you see here, the birds. Lots of birds build nests in trees. They use grass and sticks. So the birds, they build nests to live inside, and they use for that sticks and grass. As you see in this slide, you will see the owl, inside a hole inside the tree. So this bird, or this kind of birds, live in holes in trees. They don't make the hole by themselves. They find it and live inside it. Look at this strange animal. Foxes and rabbits dig burrows. Burrows. What is a burrow? It's a hole inside the ground dug by an animal like rabbits, foxes, and mole. Mole. This is another kind of animals too. They can take shelter here. They dig in earth or sand. What do you see here? No, it's not a crab. It's a crayfish. This is a crayfish. Live in rivers. They hide under rocks in the day and come out to find food at night. They come out to find food at night and they hide under rocks in the during the day. So this is a crayfish. As I told you, you are going to know strange animals in this unit. Okay, next you will see lions and cheetahs hunt other animals to eat. So lions, cheetahs, they hunt and chase animals to eat them. Sometimes it's very difficult to get food for them. And here, this is nice one. Penguin. Penguins gather in a large group called colony. Penguins gather in a large group called colony to keep warm. So they'll gather together like that to keep warm because they live in a very, very cold area of the world. Thousands of penguins can live together. Thousands of penguins can live together. So to sum this lesson up, the wild is where animals and birds can live freely without cages or fences. No humans live in the wild. No humans live in the wild. Birds live in nests, trees, or holes in trees, such as owls. Of course, you have seen the pictures before. Crayfish live in rivers. Crayfish live in rivers. Foxes, moles, and rabbits dig burrows in the ground as a shelter. Penguins gather in large groups called colony to keep warm. So this is the summary of the lesson 1. I hope you enjoyed it, and now it's time to say goodbye. Bye.